Welcome, hello friends, my name is Icholia. In our previous video I showed you how we can create this website, okay, but today I'm going to show you how you can make this website mobile friendly or responsive, okay, so that somebody can view it in a mobile phone. As you know that today people are using a smartphone too much, so somebody can be able to view this website with a smartphone. So without that said, let's begin on how we can make this website mobile friendly. So what you do, as you can see here, I have already enabled the visual builder, okay. So what I will do, I'll just come up to here, down here where it is a mobile phone. So I'll click this part. As you can see, this is our website now, how it looks when it is in a mobile phone, okay. So the next thing I need to do, as you can see, these icons are very big and even the photo doesn't look very well. These icons are very big. So we are going to optimize all of this so that our website can look very good, okay. Now let's begin. So the first thing, I'll come to this photo, so I'll click here, then I'll go to design. From the design, I'll come here to spacing, then the bottom part, okay. So I'm going just to drag this one. Let's say I'll put something like let's say it's 70 is okay. Okay, then I'll click here to save changes. Then I'll come to this one. So this one I'm going to drag it like this, and also on top I'm going to drag it that way, okay. That looks good. So we will come here to this icon. So I'll click here. Then from the image, no, we are not going to the image, so we are going to design. Then I'll come to image icon. Actually, I think we are going to spacing, so we'll come here to spacing. Then no, it's not on spacing. Okay, let's check on sizing. So we come here to sizing. Yeah, so I'll click this one, I'll reduce like this. Let's type here 30. 30 looks let's reduce again. Let's make it 25. 25 is okay. So the same as to this one, we are going to make it 25, okay. So I'll select this one, then I'll come here, I'll click here, right click here, then I say copy the style, then I'll come to this one, I'll right click, then I'll say paste the style. You see it is streaming to be very small, the same as the other one. So I'll come also to this one, the same thing, I paste the style. Also this one, I paste the style. Then I will see it is almost looking okay. sorry for that, I'm having a kind of flu. Again, we can reduce this thing, it looks very big again, so let me click again, then we go direct to sizing. Let's type here 20. Yeah, 20 looks very well. 20 looks very well. Then I'll we go again to, let's go to text. The text is in the middle, it's okay. Then this one, let's reduce this one to be, let's say 20. Let me type 20. Yeah, 20 is okay. 20 looks nice. Then we go to the body text. Body text 14 seems to be okay. 14 seems to be okay. I think 14 is okay. So then I'll just come here, right click, then I copy the style so that we make everything to be uniform. So I'll do this to the rest. Right, now if you see here, there is a lot of space here. There's a very big space here. So what I'll do, I'll just push this one that way. Also this one is having a very big space, so we will push this one here like so. Yeah, this way it looks very okay. And then this one, let's click here, and then we go to design, let's go to sizing again. Then this one, let's reduce it to be 50. Let's type here 50. Let's say 50. Okay, it has already, I think it has already taken to 50. Let's make it, let's say 30. Let's make 30. Yeah, that's how 30 looks like. I think 50 is okay. 50 looks good. Yes, let's use 50. So what we do, we just come, we click here to update, then we copy the style, then paste the style to the rest, paste the style, paste the style, and then there is a very big space here. So what I'll do, I'll bring that one, drag it to that area like that. Then now we continue again. Let's continue. Let's see so far. Yeah, I like this one, I like this one. So we continue. So this part here, okay, let's reduce it a bit. This one, let's come and click here. We go to our sizing. As you can see here is 70. Let's make it 50. 50 really looks very thin. Okay, 50 looks thin. Let's make 60. 60 doesn't look very bad. Okay, let me check the spacing. Let's say the bottom, the bottom padding, let's make it 20. No, let's make it negative 50. Okay, let's leave that one like that. As you can see here, this one now is no longer different to this one. There is a very big mistake there. So what I'll do, I'll just duplicate this, and then we are going to delete this. Yeah, I think this part we can leave it like this. Okay, this part we can leave it like this. And then this one is a gallery. If you remember our website, this one is a gallery. I think this one looks very good, but let's see if we can do something here. I'll click like that, then we go to design, then we go to sizing. Here says it's 100. Let's say something like 70. Yeah, that's how 70 look like. I think that's how 70 looks like. But now the problem, we will be experiencing a black part here. So what we do, we just leave this one to 100. Yeah, so that it can be full. Okay, this one seems to look very good. It looks good. So as you can see the way it is looking, these wordings, they are not looking very well. So what we do, we need to fix this one. Okay, we need to fix this one. So what we do, we click here, and we come here, and then let's say sizing. Let's reduce this one. No, it's not that one. So I think it is the border width. No, it's not on border width. Text. Let's come into text. It is on letter spacing. Okay, so we need to space these letters. Let's say this one like this. Okay, let's say one looks very bad, so let's again come here. Let's say let's add here. I think 0.7 is not very bad. 0.7 looks very good. So yeah, let's do this. Also here on top, let's do that. Drag a bit like that. And guys, this is how you can make your website responsive. Okay, so if someone looks at this website using the smartphone or browse using a smartphone, he will look it like this. It looks very good. Okay, looks very nice. You see, this one looks very nice with the mobile. So after that, we just save. Okay, this is how our website looks on a mobile phone. It looks beautiful. So I would like you guys to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can receive videos of the same kind all the time. Okay, cheers.